Hey, what's up, Fortnite fans? Want to claim the Juice WRLD skin for free? I've got the fastest guide to hook you up with the Slayer Juice WRLD outfit. Let's dive in. First thing is, this is for the free Slayer Juice WRLD skin. It was available from November 25 to November 30, 2024. Since it's now April 2025, the window's closed. But don't worry, it might pop up in the item shop later, so keep an eye out. Back then, all you had to do was log into Fortnite anytime between 9 a.m. Eastern on November 25th and 10 p.m. Eastern on November 30th. No challenges, no V-Bucks, just log in and boom, you'd get it in the next day you played. The skin came with cool extras like the 999 knives pickaxe, the back bling, and some dope loading screens, including an exclusive one by Takashi Murakami. If you grabbed it, it's yours forever. Now, if you've missed it, there's another Juice WRLD skin, the realistic one from the World Takeover bundle. It's a 2,600 V-Bucks and was in the shop until December 5th, 2024. Check daily, it could return anytime. So quick recap. Free skin's gone unless you logged in back in November, but the paid one's still an option. Stay tuned for Remix, the finale reruns or shop updates. That's it, guys. Drop a like if this helped, subscribe for more Fortnite tips, and let me know your favorite Juice WRLD track below. Peace out.